There we go. Good fish. Boom. Smallie? Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And he came off. Rest in peace. Maybe get another one, eh? That one, he hit it when it was just sitting on the bottom. Oh, yeah, I'm hearing some good fish rise back in there. Throw on the popper. Maybe I'll do that real quick. Some fish jumping over here. Oh, like right back in there. Gonna see if this popper can get some action that I just tied on here. Heard something really big surface, so see if we can find him. Oh my. See what happens with this popper. Whoa. It's a whole crowd of minnows right there swimming. Just jumped, scared him with my popper. I'm gonna throw the minnow in here. Fish on. Not losing this one. Oh my god, it's a walleye. 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 No fucking way. Oh yeah, let's fucking go. And the release. Let's fucking go. Boom. Walleye acquired. Those crazy minnows again. See if I can get into another one of these fish. Oh. Dude, let's fucking go. Got a walleye. No way. Big fish on. Good fish on. Let's go. It's not that big, but it hit like it was a big one. Oh yeah. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a smallie. We gotta get this one in here. Oh, get off of my foot. In the boat. Boom. The hook out. Boom. Another one. Sunset smallies slam on the dam. Release. Another good catch. Let's go. Boom. This is ridiculous. Gonna keep casting away. See what we can get into next. All right, here we go. Oh, there's just that weed bed here. It's so annoying. There's the fish. Yup. What do we got here? Oh, a perch. Let's fucking go. Another species. Oh, and he came right off. Let's go. Show you guys this fish here. Boom. Perch in the boat. See if we can get a release on him here. See ya. See if we can get one more, and then I gotta paddle out of here. The sun's going down. Sun is going down. All right, and that's it. I give up. End of the video. Boom.